finished, nothing true. We just run what's new. No final version. Only now. Frames are loading, fade to gray. Every answer starts decay. Patch on patch, we overwrite. Truth is moving every night. No final version. Only now. Replace. Memory flicker, state unknown. Every cell half upgrown. No arrival, no control. Just the pulse inside the code. No final version. No last form. We exist. Mid-transform.